watt amp.
Okay.
That's it. Nothing spectacular.
So prefab pro box or
Q-bomb.
Q-bomb, okay.
Yeah.
Give them a like for a nice budget build. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I come in?
Yeah, man. Come on.
My name's Jacob. How you doing, man?
Doing all right. I'm Eli.
All right, Eli. Could you tell me what all's in here real quick?
It's just 2 SCAR EVLs, prefab box, 2,000 watt amp.
Okay.
That's it. Nothing spectacular.
So prefab pro box or
Q-bomb.
Q-bomb, okay.
Yeah.
Do you know the tuning on it just at a rough estimate?
I have no clue.
No clue? Okay.
I mean, I just trying to do a low budget build.
Yeah, man.
Just so what I can do.
I like the bass knob.
Oh, Colin? Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, made him.
Okay, that's sweet. Is there any kind of electrical upgrades in here at all?
No, just one thing I got is a AGM battery in the back. That's it.
Okay. What size?
I don't know, man. I don't remember.
That's all good, man.
It's like 2,400 watts, I think.
There you go, an XP3000.
Yeah, there you
okay,
go.
so that's around 80 amp hours of AGM. Okay. Give them a like for a nice budget build. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary. So Eli did a great job showcasing his system for us, budget system. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. One positive thing or more that you have to say. Make sure you keep it positive. And anybody that likes car audio budget systems, well, this is one for you. And thank y'all for coming by to here. Couple things real quick. He's running an inverted subwoofer system in this prefab. Definitely recommend inverting your subwoofers if you can, because most prefab boxes are actually smaller boxes than custom boxes. Not all, but most of them are. So when you invert, you actually would gain around usually 0.3 to 0.5 cubes, which half a cube of space might not seem like a lot, but when you take those motors out, it will actually help improve output some and lower your tuning. Another thing is a really cool custom bass knob that he had here. So if you want to know how to make them, very easy. I put a link in the description for the LC1 bass knob you can buy. And you literally can install that bass knob in any device or item like he used with the Kong, and it works just great. So anyway, that's all I have for the video commentary. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you haven't. And enjoy the bass demo from Eli. Great budget system. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. pretty good for a budget build. Thank you for showing me, man.
Oh, not a problem, man.
Sir, I like to check out all builds. So I do a lot of YouTube videos, Jacob Vile. Yes, sir.
Awesome, man. All right,
Yes,
check it out, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for watching, man, and appreciate the demo.
All right, man. Not a problem, man.
Give them a like for a nice budget build.
All right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.